Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear ladies and gentlemen, everyone wants to have a healthy body with an ideal weight in their life. A healthy body not just help you to have a beautiful body, but it also can keep you from disease such as obesity, high blood pressure, and diabetes. The one way that everyone knows that will help them to lose weight is by to diet. But the problem is, not everyone knows the right way for them to do a proper diet. A proper diet is a way that you have to take enough nutrition by eating healthy food and do some exercise. A lot of people out there do diet with an extreme way, such as they don't want to eat in a day, and this will cause problems such as gastric and fatigue. So today, I want to share with you guys this product called Herbalife. Herbalife will help you to lose weight in the proper way as it will become your meal replacement. Based on my mom's experience, she is in her second years of consuming Herbalife. What can I see from her after she consuming Herbalife? Not just help my mom to lose weight, but she also gained a lot of energy despite on her busy day as a working mom. She has lost weight from 86 kg to 64 kg in just 2 years by consuming Herbalife and follow their tips in losing weight. Dear ladies and gentlemen, today I am standing here to persuade you guys to use this trusted product called Herbalife. Herbalife is a worldwide product as it well known around the world. I will share with you guys why you need to use Herbalife, how Herbalife will help you in losing weight, and a few testimonies from people that have used Herbalife in order to help them to lose weight. Now, let me share with you guys why you need to use Herbalife in your diet. Herbalife will help you to lose weight and at the same time will keep your body healthy. Did you know that our country is in the first place in Southeast Asia with the highest case of obesity? Every year, obesity cases in our country increase year by year. This comes to our concern to start having a healthy life. The one way to decrease this number is by to diet. I know a lot of people out there, and as you who watch this video, want to start having a healthy life, but you don't know how to start and sometimes it didn't work for you. Don't worry, with Herbalife, it will help you to lose weight as it will become meal replacement to help you in your proper diet. I have shared with you guys why you need to use Herbalife. Now, let me share with you how Herbalife will help you in a proper diet. Herbalife is a nutrition drink that will help you to lose weight as it has enough nutrition, especially with a high protein. One of the most famous Herbalife product is Formula One Nutritional Shake Mix. It comes in variety of flavors such as cappuccino, strawberry, and also chocolate flavor. The label indicates that the primary ingredient is soy protein isolate, a form plant-based powder, and also fructose, a form of sugar. The shake will provide you 9 grams of protein to help you feel full and also 9 grams of sugar in your daily total. It shows that Herbalife really help you to lose weight. When you want to consume Herbalife, you will have to choose a package that suits you because Herbalife will provide you several of package. After you have done choose your package that suits you, you will have a group and a coach. The coach will guide you in your diet and she will share with you some healthy food recipe and some quotes that will motivate you in your diet. And if you achieve your target, the coach will send you a gift that will motivate you more in your diet. Finally, let me share with you some testimonies from people that have used Herbalife before in order to help them to lose weight. Here are some testimonies from people that have used Herbalife in order to help them to lose weight. Herbalife have helped many people in many years since 1980 till now to help them to lose weight and keep their body healthy. Imagine that you have obesity in many years and you try to diet and try to live in and try to have a healthy life, but it always turns fail. But with Herbalife, it will help you to lose weight in a proper way of diet. Here we have Miss Africa. In just 1 week, she have lost about 2 kilograms. And not just that, all of her problems such as overweight, obesity, and also acne and on her body were all gone. Besides that, we have this uncle, anonymous uncle. This uncle not just have overweight, but he also have high blood pressure, diabetes, knee pain, and also gout. But after consuming Herbalife, his high blood pressure have been controlled, and he have not longer have to depend on his medicines. This show that Herbalife really help you to lose weight and keep your body healthy. As you can see from all of this feedback, people really happy as their dreams to have a healthy body, healthy life, and lose weight become true by using Herbalife. All in all, we need to start having a healthy life as obesity cases in our country increase year by year. All you just need is to use Herbalife in order to help you to lose weight. Herbalife will help you to lose weight as it will become meal replacement, as it have enough nutrition, especially with high protein, to help you in the proper way of diet. I also have shared with you guys a few testimonies from people that have used Herbalife before this. After all, if you're interested in this product, you can just contact to this number 010-655-6258. Again, 010-655-6258, or you can just contact through my email shairasardi@gmail.com. If you purchase Herbalife in May to July, we will get special offer that you will get 50% off. And if you sign up for a member, you will get 5% off. So in total, you will get 20% off. Not to mention, for the first purchase, you will get a free custom-made bottle with your name on it for you to consume Herbalife. Have a healthy body is not a difficult thing to do. It all depends on you. Either you want to start right now or you want to wait until you get disease. With Herbalife, all your dreams to have an ideal weight will be possible. That's all from me. Thank you.